How to install Gcam for Vivo V20. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Gcam for Vivo V20. So here what you have to do is before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So guys, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to your Google, and here you have to search for what you have to search for. Let me just show you here. Gcam for VIV or Vivo V20. So just you need to search like that, and then here on the top you can see here Vivo Google Camera APK. Simply tap here and then you will be displayed in this page. So just scroll down here on the bottom, just scroll down. Here you can see the versions of Vivo V20 cam, so you can download whichever you like. So in this way you can download it. Just simple click here, and then you can see here you have to simply click on this OK option, and then this will be on your file manager, and go and install from there, and then you can install. Right now I don't need to install this, so you can try it out, you can install it out. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to get the Vivo V20 Gcam on your Android. Thanks for watching.